and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So friends, today's video is how to balance a chemical reaction using half reaction method in basic medium. So before that, I taught you the reaction in acidic medium. Now the next portion is in the basic medium. So let's start the video without wasting a second. So rules will be the same as earlier. So let me remind you one time. Rule number 1, write the equation in ionic form. Rule number 2, determine the elements that are oxidizing and being reduced. How to determine? First we will get the oxidation state of the elements and we will see which element the oxidation number is increasing and where the oxidation number is decreasing. The increasing oxidation number means there is a oxidation, and if there is decrease in oxidation number, we will say reduction. After that, we will break the whole equation in oxidation half and reduction half. Then the main point will start. There we will start balancing the two half reactions. So in balancing, first of all, we will balance the elements other than oxygen and hydrogen. Fine. After balancing that, we will go to balance oxygen and we will add water molecule wherever is deficiency of oxygen. Next point will be balancing the hydrogen. Where there is deficiency of hydrogen, we will add the hydrogen ion. After that, we will balance the total charge on both the sides. Now, after balancing these things, now we will add both the half reactions. This is up to the in acidic medium we are doing this much. Now this much is till here it is common. After adding both the reactions in such a way that electron will be cancelled, and in the last step what we will do, we will add the OH ion, or we can say hydroxide ion, where there is we added the H plus ions. The quantity of OH ions will be same as the H plus ion we added earlier. This is the main point for the basic medium. After that we will cancel whatever is cancelling and then we will check the whatever we get at last. This will be our balanced reaction. So this is the story, but let's start with an example so that it will be clear. So first rule is to write the reaction in ionic form. Here we can say the reaction is itself in the ionic form. Fine. Next jump to second point. Second point is to find the oxidation number. So here we will find the oxidation number of manganese and bromine. So for finding oxidation number, if manganese is X, then plus 4 into oxygen's oxidation state is -2. And the overall species is having -1 charge. This is the way to count the oxidation number. So X minus 8 is equal to -1. So X will be 8 minus 1, that is plus 7. So we can say manganese is having +7 state in the left hand side. After that, now we'll come to bromine ion. Now here we can say bromine is having -1 charge. Because bromine is in elemental form, so the -1 charge is its oxidation state. Now come up to right hand side. Here manganese, assume X plus 2 minus 2 for oxygen is equal to 0 because the species is a compound. Now X minus 4 is equal to 0. So X will be plus 4. Now here manganese is having plus 4 oxidation number. Correct? In the same way we are counting for bromine. Assume X plus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So x minus 6 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 6 minus 1, that is x is equal to plus 5. This is the oxidation state of bromine on right hand side. So we can see clearly that manganese is plus 7 to plus 4, that is oxidation number is decreasing. See, from plus 7 to plus 4, oxidation number decrease means reduction. So we can say manganese is undergoing reduction. In the same way, bromine is going minus 1 to plus 5, that is increase in oxidation number. So we can say increase in oxidation means oxidation. Now after identifying the oxidation half and reduction half, we will write it. Now next step is oxidation half reaction. That is, where is going on oxidation? In the bromine part. So we will write Br minus and it will give BrO3 minus. This is the oxidation half. In the same way, we will write reduction half. That will be MnO4 minus and it will give MnO2 only. Now, this is the two half reactions. Now we will start balancing these reactions. First, I will do with the oxidation half. So, in balancing, first we will check the element other than oxygen, hydrogen. So, here it is bromine. So, bromine, left hand side 1, right hand side 1, balanced. Now, come up to the oxygen, right hand side 3, oxygen, left hand side no. So, we will add 3 molecule of water. So, oxygen is balanced now, but again we have a headache for hydrogen. Left hand side 3 to the 6, we can say hydrogen is 6. So, we will add 6H plus to balance the hydrogen. This is the next step for balancing hydrogen. 6H plus we will add. Now, we can see bromine is 2, oxygen is 3 and hydrogen is 6. Balanced. After that, we will balance the charge. Now, left hand side minus 1 charge. See, left hand side minus 1 charge and right hand side it is minus 1 plus 6. 6 times plus 1. So, plus 6. So, how much this is? Minus, we can say plus 5. So, in the right hand side plus 5 and left hand side minus 1. So, we need to balance this with the help of electrons. We will add the electrons. So, which side we will add? We will add the electrons to the side where there is plus 5. Because we added the plus ions on the right hand side, we will add the electrons also on the right hand side to balance the electrons. So, we will add how much? If we add plus 5, so we will add minus 6 electrons here. So, then it will be minus 6 plus 5 is equal to minus 1 and that will be equal to left hand side. So, we will add minus, or we can write 6 electrons only. 6 electron means minus 6 charge. Now, check all the portion is balanced. Element bromine is balanced, oxygen is balanced, hydrogen is balanced and the total charge is also balanced. Now, come up to the reduction half. We will do the same procedure for balancing as we used in oxidation half. So, first of all, balancing the elements other than oxygen and hydrogen. So, manganese, 1 left hand side, 1 right hand side, balance. Now, oxygen, 4 left hand side, 2 right hand side. Then, we will add water molecules to balance the oxygen where there is deficiency. So, right hand side 2, it means deficiency of 2 oxygen. We will add 2 water molecules. Clear? Now after that we will balance the hydrogen. Hydrogen we can see right hand side 2 2s are 4 and left hand side there is no hydrogen. So we will add the H plus ions to balance the hydrogen. So we will write on left hand side 4H plus. Correct? Now hydrogen is balanced. After that we will balance the charge. Now charge, let's check how much is this. Charge is -1 plus 4 because hydrogen is having 4 point, so it is plus 4. It is total is plus 3. Same should be there in here also. Here we can see in the right hand side there is no charge, means charge is 0. So plus 3 charge will become 0 when we add -3 to it. So we will add 3 electrons, that is 3 minus. Now the overall reaction is balanced. After doing this, we need to add both the reactions in such a way that the electron should be cancelled. In the oxidation half 6 electron, in reduction half 3 electrons. So we will make 3 to 6 by multiplying whole the reaction with 2. Correct? Now add whole the reaction. So first we will write Br minus plus 3H2O plus, now left hand side for reduction half, so it is 2MnO4 minus plus 4 2s are 8H plus 3 2s are 6E minus. Then come up to the right hand side of the oxidation half, that is BrO3 minus plus 6H plus 6E minus. Correct? Then reduction half plus MnO2 because it is multiplied by 2. 2MnO2 plus 2 2s are 4H2O. Now let's see whatever is cancelling we will cancel. So first of all 6 electron will cancel by the 6 electron. Then water molecules, left hand side 3, right hand side 4. So this 3 will be totally cancelled by this 4 and here it is left 1 molecule. Fine, this much is correct. After that we will cancel the hydrogen ion. See, both the sides have hydrogen ion. So 8 and 6 totally cancel and 8 minus 6, that is 2. H plus is left over here. Now rest all we will write here. So it is Br minus plus 2MnO4 minus plus 2H plus, and it will give BrO3 minus plus 2MnO2 plus H2O. Now this much, after doing this much, one last step, that is the main step for the basic medium, is to add the OH minus ions. The amount is how much we add the H plus ions, we need to add the OH minus ions. So here in this reaction we can see H plus ions are in 2. So we will add on both the sides plus 2OH minus, and here also plus 2OH minus. Now what will become 2H? See here, 2H plus 2OH minus, that will give us 2H2O. So we can write this totally is 2H2O. So Br minus plus 2MnO4 minus plus 2H2O, and this is left hand side. Right hand side is BrO3 minus plus 2MnO2 plus H2O plus 2OH minus. So now again we can see that H2O and H2O are both sides, so that will be cancelled, and here 2 will be cancelled and 1 will left. So now we will write the overall final reaction, that is Br minus plus 2MnO4 minus plus H2O, because one molecule of water is left. That gives BrO3 minus plus 2MnO2 plus 2OH minus. Now this is our final balanced reaction. Let's check it. Bromine 1 both the sides, manganese 2 and 2 both the sides, and oxygen it is 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. Left hand side, here it is 3 plus 4, 2 2s are 4, 7 plus 2 9, 9 oxygen. Right hand side also, then hydrogen, 2 hydrogen on the left hand side, 2 hydrogen right hand side. Now all the things are balanced. Let's balance the charge. Minus 2 plus minus 1, that is minus 3 on left hand side. On right hand side again minus 2 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So charge is also balanced. So in this way we will get the final balanced reaction in acidic medium. So hope you guys like the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Till then, thank you.